I'm at the Oregon coast. There are a ton of birds around here. Look at those birds. Birds have giant beaks. Can I zoom in on that? Yes, I can. Look at those birds. Just hanging out. They don't care about me here. It's like, what's up, dude? It's another beautiful day at the Oregon coast. May as well call it the bird coast at this point. Look at those things. Very patient.